Dog and drone search. Concoponset State Forest. Behind the dam at Messersmith. You can hear the dam in the background. Two kind of poodle doodle like dogs got lost together and one came back. The other one did not. Let me show you what I'm doing. I got the bag. So it's too wet to drag right now. They gave me an awesome bag here full of goodies. So I got blankets, I got clothes. Let me put that down. I am going to cut that up on the way back. Right now I'm getting out there because I have this great Sawyer. All right. They gave me this bag of vacuum contents. Look at that. Can you see that? There we go. See, shake all the dust comes off it. So whew, I'm dusting myself with this. Back off. Look at it. Right there. I don't want to put the camera on because I got to shut it off. You see there, see all the stuff that's getting all over me, so I smell like the dog. So I'm not going to call out to her. I'm going silent mode. This is what we're dealing with. It's thick as coal out here. I wasn't leaving this stuff for now. And on the way back, look how thick this is. So she could be 20 yards from me and I'm not going to see her. So I got to leave her a really good trail back to the parking lot. She crossed the river. She's on the wrong side of the river. So I gotta keep moving. My light's been being used for the last 3 nights. I don't know how much light I'm gonna have for very long. So this should be very interesting, people. But this is my kind of place in the woods with the coyotes and the dog. And go. Let's do something again real quick. Buy the vacuum stuff. I'm going to ship it. There we go. It's coming at me. Here, let me shake it back up. Pass it. This is like a whole bomb, man. This is what you want to do. Something's coming in. It's hers. It's hers. You see that? It's like a whole bomb, right? Just all this dust everywhere. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. It's just like stick right on each other. See that? Take your vacuum bag contents and grind it into them. And it'll stay here even when it rains out. Okay? That's how you use the vacuum contents. Just rub it in there. Knock it all around, let all the dust come off. She's gonna be looking for that. Alright, we'll keep moving. Towards the moon, remember? Towards the moon. Alright, back to dog and drone search, night vision. I don't hear the waterfall anymore, but now I hear cars, highway 95. This is what it looks like through the night vision. The wood is too thick. Still looking for Rosie. Peace out. Night vision. No night vision. Moonlight's only good working if you're looking at the treetops. I hear something in this direction. Come on, Rosie. I'm popping out of there. It's hard to see through the phone. So much clearer without it. Alright. Heading further into the woods. I'm gonna sit again and see what we see and hear what we hear. Oh. Felt the rain drop. Okay, peace out. Oh, it's starting to rain. Dog and drone search. D&D. I found Rosie. Or I should say she found me, so I'm gonna call the owner. I just want to leave her scent stuff here. It's okay, Rosie girl. It's all right, pretty girl. So I'm just gonna continue doing what I was doing because she followed me. So I just want to make sure she gets her stuff. It's okay, girl. It's all right, sweet pea. I'm gonna get your buddy back here for you. It's okay, Rosie. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're gonna be okay, kiddo. Hold on. We'll get this mess straightened out for you, sister. All right, cut it out there for a minute. I think, yeah. Well, it's going to take her a while to unwind, I think, and come. I may have to go get my trap. I hope I don't have to set up my trap, but I may have to. It's pretty flat here. I can probably get it right over where she was without a problem. Just sit over there somewhere because I don't have a damn camera. Alright. It's not going as planned. I have to change the plan. Damn it. Come on, Rosie. Come on, girl. Go tell her it's okay, Stella. Go say it's okay, Rosie. Her mom's here now. Hey, crawl to her. Hey, crawl to her. No, that's okay. Call to her. Call out her name. I keep calling her. I'm afraid she's calling. Dog and drone search, D&D. She was barking. I said, make the other dog bark. So I came over here and she came down. So we're going to bug out. I'm going to bug out of the way. Yeah. She was barking all right. I gotta hide now. Let's see if there's some coming here. Dog and drone search, another successful pull the dog out of the woods hat trick. That was close one. I didn't like her up on the hill barking like that. Mama and the daughter. Oh, she's got her on the leash. How's that grab you? Well, I'm almost 60, but I can still do it. Yes!
Man, that was amazing.
Oh, I'm so glad you had the other dog because I don't think she was going to come. Wow.
I can't believe that. That was so
That
awesome.
was the gruelingest freaking hike through the woods ever. I don't know how she would have found her way out of there.
I did 7 miles in there today, so I
Yeah,
can.
so you
It's
know.
all bushwhack.
Try it in the dark, it's even worse.
Yeah.
So I'll pick up the few pieces of clothes I have hanging around there.
Oh, we'll come back in the morning and all that. But
Okay, all right. So,
we cannot thank you enough.
you're
My
so
parents
welcome.
really were going
Where
to
are
be
they?
devastated.
All right, dog drone search, Westbrook, Connecticut. I think we were in Westbrook. Anyway, went into the woods, made a trail. I went to my car for a few minutes, and when I went back to go leave the items I was dragging and leaving behind, I bumped right into, what the heck is that dog's name now? Rosie. I got it. Her name was Rosie. Me and Rosie kind of walked right into each other, and my heart melted because I know where it goes. Shut up. She looked just like Stella. She could have been Stella's twin out there. Then I waited for the mama dog to come, and then Rosie sounded pretty far away. She started barking. She went up the hill, so I made the other dog barked at me when she got there. So I went over there and made that dog bark at me. So Rosie would hear her mom barking and come down to the mom, and Rosie did just that. She came down to the mom, was like, "Get your ass down here, Rosie!" And so I don't know how I do it, but I do it now, which is why people need to just do the drag method themselves. They were searching all through that woods today. If they dragged stuff and left pieces of clothing, they would get the same results. That's all I do. There's no magic. She found me because she thought I was the owner. That's the only reason they find me. They don't think it's me. They think it's the owner. That's it. I'm done babbling. Another session, another search, another recovery. Peace out!